Deep beneath the Swiss-French border, the Large Hadron Collider hums with the power of creation itself, accelerating particles to near-light speeds in pursuit of the universe's hidden truths. The ATLAS experiment, a colossal detector weighing over 7,000 tons, stands as a sentinel, meticulously recording the debris of proton collisions to unveil phenomena like the Higgs boson. Yet, on this fateful night, routine operations gave way to the inexplicable. Alarms remained eerily silent as sensors registered an energy spike exceeding the collider's input by an order of magnitude, suggesting a spontaneous influx from an unknown source. Physicists on shift described a momentary flicker in the control room lights, synchronized with data streams showing particles emerging from apparent nothingness, violating the sacred principle of conservation of energy. Initial analyses revealed trajectories that looped backward in time, hinting at retrocausality, a concept long dismissed as theoretical fancy. The event's signature, dubbed 3I for its three inexplicable indicators, pulsed through the detector's layers, leaving traces that mimicked exotic matter from parallel dimensions. As teams scrambled to verify the readings, whispers of sabotage or instrumentation failure circulated, but calibrations held firm. This was no glitch. It was a rupture in reality's veil, challenging the standard model's unyielding grip on particle physics. The implications ripple outward. If energy can manifest unbidden, what safeguards remain against cosmic instability? But as dawn broke over CERN, one question loomed larger than the anomaly itself. What invisible hand triggered this defiance of natural order? Within Atlas's intricate web of silicon trackers and calorimeters, the anomaly unfolded like a ghost in the machine. Protons collided as planned, but the resulting cascade deviated wildly. Leptons appeared with masses inconsistent with known particles, their decays exhibiting asymmetries that inverted charge parity symmetry beyond any predicted violation. Data logs captured fleeting signals resembling sterile neutrinos, hypothetical entities that interact only gravitationally. Yet these interacted electromagnetically, bridging forbidden realms of physics. The event's temporal profile was equally disturbing. Collision remnants seemed to anticipate the impact, with decay products wormholes fleeting aperture. The anomaly, now isolated in quarantined servers, pulsed with residual data echoes, as if alive. Yet, amid the mounting evidence, a darker puzzle emerged. Satellite telemetry from the same timestamp showed minute gravitational perturbations over Europe, uncorrelated with any seismic activity. If Atlas had glimpsed beyond our universe, what entity might be gazing back? The laws of physics, forged in the fires of the Big Bang and etched into the cosmos, now lie in tatters before the 3I event. Conservation of momentum faltered as particles veered without external force, their paths curving through unseen fields that warped space-time locally. Entropy, the inexorable arrow of time, reversed in micro-regions of the detector, with disordered states coalescing into ordered ones, a thermodynamic heresy that could unravel the second law. Relativistic invariance shattered. Velocities approached superluminal thresholds without infinite energy demands, mocking Einstein's cosmic speed limit. Spectroscopic readings revealed spectral lines from elements not on the periodic table, their atomic structures hinting at altered fine structure constants in the anomaly's vicinity. Quantum field theory, the bedrock of modern physics, buckled under vacuum fluctuations that amplified into macroscopic effects, birthing virtual particles that persisted indefinitely. International collaborations linked via secure channels, cross-referencing with CMS and ALICE detectors, which reported faint sympathetic echoes, suggesting the event's influence propagated beyond Atlas. Hypotheses swirled. A quantum fluctuation amplified by dark energy, or perhaps a test of modified gravity theories like MOND. But forensic data dives uncovered a chilling detail: encrypted patterns in the noise floor resembling informational code, as if the anomaly carried a message from an extra-dimensional intelligence. With the standard model's pillars crumbling, the scientific community stands at a precipice. If these laws are malleable, what cataclysmic revisions await our understanding of existence? Yet, one enigma persists. What catalyst ignited this wholesale rebellion against physics' edicts? As scrutiny intensifies, the 3I anomaly's fingerprints point toward the multiverse, a theoretical landscape where infinite realities branch. CERN's archives yield precedents. Subtle discrepancies in past runs, dismissed as noise, now retroactively correlate with 3I's profile, suggesting cumulative buildup. Global observatories report concurrent anomalies, neutrino bursts from Ice Cube in Antarctica, and gamma-ray flickers from Fermi, implying a synchronized cosmic event. Theorists posit a reality quake, where quantum decoherence fails, blending wave functions across universes. But amid these speculations, a foreboding clue surfaces. Linguistic analysis of the data's patterned anomalies reveals fractal repetitions, akin to self-similar structures in chaotic systems, possibly encoding coordinates or warnings. If alternate realities are bleeding into ours, the barrier's fragility threatens existential stability. What if this intrusion was deliberate, a probe from a divergent cosmos? The question hangs unresolved. What unseen observers orchestrated this interdimensional incursion? In the wake of the breach, investigative teams dissect the anomaly's remnants, employing advanced AI to sift petabytes of data for hidden correlations. Supersymmetry models, long sought for unifying forces, fracture under scrutiny. Predicted sparticles appear distorted, their spins fractional in defiance of quantum rules. Dark matter candidates like axions manifest fleetingly in the logs, interacting with baryonic matter in unprecedented ways, potentially explaining the energy influx as a dark sector eruption. Cosmological constants waver in localized measurements, suggesting variable fundamental parameters tuned by an external mechanism. Collaborative efforts with quantum computing facilities simulate the event, yielding partial recreations that halt at critical junctures due to infinite regressions. Eyewitness accounts from technicians describe auditory hallucinations, whispers in the collider's hum, correlating with electromagnetic spikes. Geophysical data ties the anomaly to subtle Earth core fluctuations, hinting at planetary-scale resonances. Yet, security footage reveals unauthorized access patterns in peripheral systems, fueling theories of human intervention via quantum hacking. As explanations proliferate, from topological defects in space-time to emergent phenomena in holographic universes, a unifying thread emerges. The anomaly's symmetry breaking resembles biological universal entanglement. Future collider upgrades, now accelerated, aim to provoke replications, but ethical debates rage. Provoking such anomalies risks cascading failures in reality's framework. Historical parallels invoke forgotten experiments, like early cyclotron anomalies buried in classified files, suggesting recurring intrusions. Quantum gravity theories, from loop quantum gravity to entropic gravity, offer tentative scaffolds, positing the event as a Planck-scale revelation. Yet, persistent data ghosts, unerasable echoes in storage, behave algorithmically, evolving under observation as if sentient. Global think tanks convene, pondering existential threats. If laws bend, civilizations could manipulate them, weaponizing physics itself. The anomaly, sealed yet resonant, challenges humanity's place in the multiverse. As investigations deepen, unanswered riddles accumulate. What ultimate truth lies concealed, and at what cost will it be unveiled? But in the silence following the event, one final mystery endures. What if this defiance was merely the prelude to a far greater unraveling of the cosmos?